All right, straight to the point. How to get more views on Instagram Reels. So, start with the hook in 3 seconds. Start with something that grabs attention. Text on screen, quick movement, strong emotion. Post consistently. 1 to 2 reels a day beats 1 reel a week. The algo loves frequency. Next, use trending sounds. Check the fire arrow in audio library and jump on trends. Short and snappy, 7 to 12 sec reels loop better. More replays, more views. Captions plus text. Many watch with sound off. Keep it readable. Engage in the first hour. Reply to comments fast. Boosts reach. Hashtags and keywords. Mix trending plus niche hashtags so IG knows your audience. Cross share. Push reels to stories plus share on TikTok or YouTube Shorts too. Alright? Quick formula: hook plus trending sound plus short length plus consistency equals viral potential. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next